Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Crepe Erase Intensive Body Repair Treatment, fragrance-free. As a moisturizer it's great. As a cure for crepe skin, it does help while it's on. She's been on this for 3 weeks, and I've never seen her happy with any sort of skin cream before. Carries no detectable greasy feeling, and no odor, and doesn't wear off on the shirt collar. But if mom's excited about buying another one of these when this runs out, then that's a good sign. So far it smooths skin, and moisturizes, but is top early to see what results are achieved with orange peel cellulite skin. The advertising claims to help with wrinkling, and crepiness particularly in the upper arm area. It smelled good, and the skin feels great. The skin absorbs it, and leaves it feeling so soft. Love this moisturizer. It goes on thick like butter, but it makes your skin feel so good. The product ends up costing far more than advertised, with exactly the same results as a decent drugstore brand. So depressing. Not to mention the knee crepe, and upper arm crepe that makes shorts, and sleeveless shirts a downer. The stimulation of massaging the cream onto the skin forces blood to circulate to the surface of the skin, making it appear plump immediately. Otherwise, the product exhibits no more effectiveness than a good skin firming, or skin smoothing product such as Jergens, or Suave, for that matter. This is an expensive cream, and honestly, whether it's worth it to you, or not is going to depend on how well it works for you, and your skin type. This was an expensive purchase, and it was in a package with other items, and could have been damaged. After you wet the creepy area, neck, arms, thighs etc. with water, then you polish, getting off dead cells etc. The directions say to take a pearl-sized piece, and massage it into the skin for up to a minute. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.